No way.
The local people of Walmart singing Baby Shark over here. Oh my gosh, they spotted me. And they spotted me. Alright, so we just woke up and it's been storming all night long. And I'm about to come out here and show you our backyard, or our creek that comes into our backyard. Holy moly.
Oh my god.
It's like going into the neighbor's yard. It's hard to tell, but I'll have to insert a clip of how low it actually normally is. That's like up in the grass and everything over on the other side. And then this is a little drop off right here on our side, and it's even up into the drop off area. You can kind of see the wood where the deck is over there for the neighbors, and it's kind of covering the corner over there. But on the other side, it's just completely covering that up. Holy cow.
I hope those neighbors' dogs are okay. Yeah, they're probably not going outside.
So it's Saturday, and unfortunately Kirsten has to work tomorrow on Mother's Day. So we're actually going to celebrate Mother's Day today. I'm gonna make her breakfast, and then we're gonna run a few errands. We're gonna meet up with Kirsten's family so that we can all celebrate Mother's Day together. We have plans to go to this amazing Mexican food restaurant that's here in town. It's one of our personal favorites. I can eat Mexican food any day of the week, honestly, every day of the week if you ask me. But we do have plans to go and pick up Kirsten's Mother's Day gift this evening. She has no idea what we're getting. Me and the kids have picked it out already, so it's ready for us to go pick up. And then we're gonna come home, we're gonna wrap it, and we're gonna give it to her. She has no idea. We're so excited. At the end of this video, you're gonna actually get to see her open it. So we're hoping that she's super excited about it. I'm sure she will be, but we're hoping that it's exactly what she wants. Now it's time to make breakfast. Let's go. So we're getting Mother's Day breakfast cooked up for her. Bubba's been helping me today. Oh, go ahead, hit that. Oh, we got some coffee. Hi. We have our glorious, in case we haven't ever shown you, our glorious coffee setup here. Got the French press down there. I have a Chemex down here. Another French press. Pour over. If you can't tell, we really like coffee. Right now we're just drinking out of the regular old Mr. Coffee coffee pot. And we have part of a Starbucks Passport Series, Colombia Huila. It's delicious. It's a blonde roast. It's amazing. Kirsten made these. She made that, decorated this little jar here. She made the flowers out of paper as well.
Coffee filter flowers.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you made them out of coffee filters, that's right. She made that as well. Not that, but she made that. But this is our little setup. You can see more of her crafts on her Crafty Kirsty YouTube channel. She's premiering on May 25th, which is actually her birthday. So she's got something fun and exciting in store for everybody. You can also check out her Crafty Kirsty 25 Instagram channel. I'll put it in the description below so that you can go check it out, follow her on Instagram, and stay tuned for some of the projects that she's got going on.
Oh my goodness, Peyton's about to lose a tooth.
Again. All right.
Come here, let me see how it's dangling.
Oh.
Ew, your mouth's all dirty. Ready?
Come on, open wide.
Let Daddy get it. Mommy almost
Remember,
had
tooth fairy will come. Open your mouth wide.
Say, ah.
Where is it? Where's the tooth at?
I don't know.
Oh, almost.
Oh, it didn't go.
Oh, it slipped. Open wide. I can't get it.
You gotta open your mouth. There you go. Oh, my cringing. Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
Okay, now both of you smile together.
Wow. The toothless.
Oh my goodness.
The toothless twins, even though they're not twins.
What are you doing? Oh, it's bleeding. Oh, such a teeny tiny baby tooth.
Daddy, can I hold the tooth?
No.
No, we don't want to lose it.
No, you need to brush your hair.
Yay, Bubba!
Is it still bleeding?
No.
Wow, dude. Was that awesome or what?
I remember the time when I accidentally pulled my tooth out in school.
Kinsley pulled her first tooth out by herself.
Was that Peyton? This is Peyton's fourth tooth?
Fourth.
Wow.
What?
Yep.
But I've already lost 8. Not 8.
We're sitting here at the local Walmart and we're trying to figure out what shoes for this child to wear. But she's running around like a mad woman, like the people of Walmart. And she can't figure out what she wants. Hey, you local Walmartian, what are you gonna figure out here? The local people of Walmart singing Baby Shark over here. Oh my gosh, they spotted me. All right, guys, so I dropped Mommy and Kinsley and Emma off at Michael's earlier while me and Peyton went and got Mommy her Mother's Day gift. We're super excited to give it to her. We are coming out right now to the car. We've got a lot of weather, a lot of rain today. But anyways, we're coming out to the car to get it so that we can go ahead and wrap it for her and make sure that she gets it. She has to work tomorrow on Mother's Day, so we're kind of bummed out about that. But on the bright side of things, we're gonna go ahead and give her her gift and super excited about it. So we're gonna go in and wrap it real fast and give it to her tonight. All right, so we're going in. Now we gotta find a bag. Hey guys, we're gonna use a bag. All right, so we're gonna come sit down in here. Oh, ooh, Bub, do a little dance. Ooh, get it. All right, so the kiddos are helping me wrap this present. We're so excited to give it to Mommy.
I still did that.
We're using, what is this kind of tape called?
Washi tape.
Washi tape. Says life is good. So much fun.
And then I'll fold. I know how to fold.
Hold on. Mm-hmm. You gonna help us? Yeah, you gonna help us? Oh, getting us all the tape out.
Thank you, Emma. Thanks, Emma. She's a pretty good help for cleaning. But for making a mess, she always makes a mess. Yeah. But she always cleans up her mess after she makes it.
Right, so we have it all wrapped up. Now it's time to go get Mommy, and we're gonna have her sit down and we're gonna open it for her. She's hiding in her craft room. Waiting on us. Mommy, are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Do you have any idea?
No, I don't. I really don't. Normally I have an idea and I'm normally right, but I have no idea.
Guess what it is?
She went and got some stuff to make their shirts for Disney for her cricket. All right, you want to come on? All right, bringing Mama into the living room, and we're gonna give her her present so that she can open it up since she's gonna be working tomorrow. Looks like it's sparkling.
It does.
Sparkle, sparkle. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. You ready to open it?
Yes.
Happy Mother's Day and birthday. Ha. Happy Mother's birthday.
Oh, this is like hard wrapping paper. No
Happy
way.
stinking Mother's Day.
Oh my gosh.
And
Are you serious?
there's a tripod that came with it that they didn't have at the store, so it'll be shipped here within the next 5 days. I went to Best Buy.
What? Oh my goodness. This is the one I wanted.
I know.
Mommy, you want to open this box?
All right, so Mommy, go ahead and open it.
Okay, that's a big, huge instruction booklet. Holy cow.
It's a ton of instructions. It's a tiny camera for the price.
Oh my gosh, but it's awesome. Look at that.
Oh wow, that is so cool.
That is awesome. I guess I have to charge it. That's cool. Okay. So it comes with, okay, this is a battery.
Oh, so
Because it doesn't have the battery in it.
Oh, it doesn't have a battery.
it's a charger pack.
Battery charger. And a little strap, like a wrist strap.
And then it came with a disc, the SD disc, right?
Yes. So 32 gigabyte. That's
32
pretty big,
gigs.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I guess, are you recording? I guess I probably have to charge it before it'll turn on. You think? Or do you think?
Well, you can probably put the battery in and then
Let's
see if
try
it
it.
works. Battery might already be fully charged, so.
Maybe. Let's see. It turned on.
Look at that.
Okay, set date. Oh, it's touchscreen. Yay! Vlogging with our new camera.
Yay, yay, yay.
So exciting. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we post videos.
Every time.
And we will see you next time.
Next time.